Welcome to the fourth edition of our Audible Flashcards. In this edition of the Audible Flashcards, we will cover topics and terms that relate to the Mortgage Loan Origination Activities section of the NMLS SAFE Mortgage Loan Originator Test. The Mortgage Loan Origination Activities section makes up 27% of the exam. Asset. An asset is an owned item that has value. Liabilities. Liabilities are financial obligations in a specified amount. Credit report. A credit bureau's report on a person's financial status, usually including the approximate amounts and locations of a person's bank account, charge accounts, loans, other debts, bill-paying habits, defaults, bankruptcies, foreclosures, marital status, occupation, income, and lawsuits. It may indicate a high, middle, or low credit score. Debt-to-income ratio, or debt ratio. The percentage of verified gross monthly income divided into total payments for monthly housing expenses, alimony, child support, car payments, and other installment debts and payments on revolving or open-ended accounts such as credit cards. Appraiser. An impartial person who estimates the value of something such as real estate. Appraisal. The determination of what constitutes a fair price for something, or how its condition can be fairly stated at a point in time. Appraisal fee. A fee charged by a licensed, certified appraiser to determine the fair market value. Title, or legal title. The union of all elements, such as ownership, possession, and custody, constituting the legal right to control and dispose of property. The legal link between a person who owns property and the property itself. Flood insurance. Insurance that indemnifies against a loss caused by a flood. This type of insurance is often sold privately but subsidized by the federal government. Maximum coverage is $250,000. PMI, or private mortgage insurance. If you put down less than 20%, most lenders or banks require you to have private mortgage insurance. PMI is required on any conventional conforming loan over 80% LTV. This can be put into your monthly mortgage payment or calculated into your rate. Homeowners insurance. Insurance that covers both damage to the insured residence and liability claims made against the insured, especially those arising from the insured's negligence. Title insurance. An agreement to indemnify against loss arising from a defect in the title to real property, usually issued to the buyer of the property by the title company that conducted the search. Down payment. A portion of the purchase price paid in cash, or its equivalent, at the time the sales agreement is executed. Closing costs. The expenses that must be paid, usually in a lump sum at closing, apart from the purchase price and interest. These may include taxes, title insurance, and attorney's fees, and any other cost assessed to the borrower to obtain the loan.